This is Rachel here from the Feed, and today we're in the kitchen with USA rice, and I'm gonna be making a delicious recipe by one of our community members, Alexandra from Daisy Beet. This is a Mediterranean brown rice salad. Super delicious, light, refreshing, perfect for summer. So let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is add 1 cup of brown rice into a pot and some water. So the best part about USA grown rice is that because the quality is so high, I didn't even need to wash it. You just directly add it in the pot with water and you're good to go. All right, so my rice is bubbling away in the back. But I wanted to talk about the different varieties of rice, right? There is short grain, medium grain, long grain, there's brown rice, there is black rice, there's wild rice. So there's tons of different varieties. What you have to keep in mind is the application. So say for a risotto or a creamy congee, I will either use a short grain or medium grain rice. For something like a biryani, I would use a long grain basmati rice. Today, I'm making a really light and refreshing salad. So we're gonna use brown rice, which is gonna add just the perfect amount of bite and nuttiness. And that will just make for the best delicious salad you could have for lunch on a summer afternoon. As you can see, our rice has been cooking away for about 10 minutes and it is halfway there. We just need to let it keep going for a little longer. And I also find that with brown rice, it takes a tad longer to cook as opposed to white rice, but it's also worth it because you have beautiful separate grains, they're nutty, and they have a nice bite to them. Now that most of the water has evaporated, I'm just going to finish the last bits of this cooking by steaming it with the lid on and the heat off. For the dressing, we will add some garlic, maple syrup, Dijon mustard, lemon juice, a little bit of olive oil, some salt, pepper, and I'll give this a good whisk. So as you can see, the rice is ready. It is nice and separated. Each grain is cooked through, and that is exactly what we are looking for. So I have a bowl with some rice, and I'm gonna go ahead and add tomatoes, artichokes, chickpeas, roasted red peppers, some olives, our delicious dressing, and a good amount of parsley. Give that all a nice mix. The best part is that all of this rice is grown by really small family farms that ensure that they maintain sustainable practices, right from growing the crop to packaging it and shipping it out to stores. Okay, you guys, so our colorful Mediterranean rice salad is ready. I'm gonna dig in and taste. Okay. Love it. So refreshing, so delicious. Exactly what I want to eat on a hot summer afternoon for lunch. I love how I get the bite from the brown rice. That texture is just perfect for a salad recipe like this. So thank you so much, Alexandra, for this amazing recipe. And if you guys want the full recipe, go to thefeedfeed.com, and I will see you again next time. Bye.